Open up her PDF files.
No PDFs?
Yeah.
Does she have a program she's using to open them?
Yeah, she has like Acrobat, Adobe Acrobat,
And what is
Microsoft Office, and all that. But for some reason, when she goes to try to open it up, it says she don't have the permissions.
Oh, it's so.
And I Googled as much as
She
I
don't
can.
have permissions?
It's saying she don't have permissions.
She tried multiple files or just one file?
Multiple files.
Okay.
I was in IT for a whole 3 months, so I thought I could help her.
You tried a different, did you try any different software?
Like what you mean?
Outside of Acrobat? Like, did you try another program?
All this stuff is like church stuff.
Church?
Like she's like the
I don't care
paying
about
everybody
the files.
ties and stuff like that, and like
Okay.
paying the bills for the church. So it like QuickBooks doesn't work for her anymore.
How long she had the computer? A while, huh?
7 years, and she think it's still a new computer. I told her she ain't doing. So I'm only bringing it here. I had already told her I want to get her a new computer.
You got her password?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, she a real church woman.
You feel me? When I told her I was bringing it here, she was like, I was like, what's your password? She was like, I was like, yeah, I saw it on TikTok. She's like, no, that's the password.
All right, so I'm gonna try to open up. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, even that new one, the new one's
So
the police
Windows
report.
can't access the specified device path or file. You may not have the purpose. Does she have another copy of the file?
She can email it and open it up from other places, but just can't open it up.
Because
here.
I'm thinking that this mean that it's not here no more. I'm gonna try one thing though.
I had them for like
can't
a week. I
have
didn't like them.
They don't practice.
I think it's about to open up.
It's amazing implements.
Yeah, it's opening up now.
What you do?
I installed another program to open it up instead of this Foxit reader right here. So I just converted all of her PDFs to when you click on them, it'll open with that. Because what I'm thinking is your Adobe might have expired or something. See, it's opening all of them, right?
Now, Foxit, what are they?
It's free.
It's free. Just do everything Adobe do.
I'm getting them. They loaded right now.
Okay. Now, if I send it to someone, right? Send someone a Foxit file.
Yeah, it's just a PDF file. It's not going to be a Foxit file.
Okay.
It's going to be .pdf.
Okay.
And then you decide what programs read .pdf files. And then you'll tell it, open it from
Foxit.
this program.
Got you.
Yeah. When it say open with, you direct it to another program.
Got you.